Would you know what to do if the zombies came tomorrow? Most people wouldn't last a week in a full-blown zombie apocalypse. The infected are relentless, driven by a single primal instinct to feed. But don't worry, that's why we're here. In this channel, we're going to push you to your limits, testing your survival instincts in the face of the undead. We'll face challenges head-on, learn to scavenge for resources, and master the art of zombie combat. So strap yourselves in, get ready for a wild ride, and let's see if you have what it takes to survive the zombie apocalypse. The world as we know it is gone. Cities lie in ruins, overrun by the infected. Your first challenge? Simply surviving the initial outbreak. The first 24 hours are critical. Your next priority is securing a safe haven. Forget about your cozy apartment or that comfy suburban home. You need a location that's easy to defend, with multiple escape routes. Think abandoned buildings, underground bunkers, or even a remote cabin in the woods. And then there's the constant struggle for resources. Food, water, shelter. These become precious commodities in a world gone mad. You'll need to learn to scavenge, to hunt, to adapt to a life without supermarkets and running water. Trust me, it's a whole different ball game when your local grocery store is overrun by flesh-eating monsters. In this world, the right gear can mean the difference between life and death. Forget guns, they're loud, attract unwanted attention, and ammo is hard to come by. Your best bet is silent but deadly. A sturdy axe, a machete, even a baseball bat. You'll need a reliable backpack to carry your essential supplies. Water purification tablets, non-perishable food, a first aid kit. And don't forget, a compass and a map. Technology might fail, but your navigational skills won't. Stay sharp, stay aware of your surroundings, and never let your guard down. Remember, zombies aren't the only threat out there. You've been surviving for weeks, scavenging for supplies and evading the undead. You stumble upon a group of survivors holed up in an old prison. They seem organized, well-equipped, and offer you a place in their community. Safety in numbers, right? But something feels off. Their leader is charismatic, but with a ruthless glint in his eye. You learn they raid other survivor groups for resources, taking what they need by force. Joining them means abandoning your morals, becoming one of them, but staying alone means facing the dangers of this world on your own. The decision is yours. Do you trust your gut and strike out on your own, clinging to your humanity? Or do you prioritize survival at all costs, joining the ranks of the strong, but potentially losing a part of yourself in the process? We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? From the initial shock of the outbreak to the harsh realities of scavenging for resources. Remember, the key to surviving a zombie apocalypse isn't just about brute force. It's about using your head. It's about adaptability, resourcefulness, and never giving up hope. We talked about the importance of securing a safe haven, of mastering the art of stealth and evasion. And we face the moral dilemmas that come with surviving in a world without rules, where the line between right and wrong can become blurred. But most importantly, we learned that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can endure. So there you have it, the basics of surviving a zombie apocalypse. But this is just the beginning. Now it's your turn to put these skills to the test. Tell me in the comments what your survival strategy would be. What essential items would you pack in your bug-out bag? And if you're hungry for more post-apocalyptic adventures, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We've got a whole horde of zombie survival tips, tricks, and challenges coming your way. Stay vigilant, stay strong, and I'll see you out there in the wasteland. We've faced some tough challenges today, the kind that would make even the most seasoned survivor sweat. But we've come out the other side, tougher, grittier, and ready for whatever the apocalypse throws at us. Remember, surviving isn't about luck, it's about preparation, about having the right mindset, and about never giving up. Out here in the wild, every day is a test of your skills, your instincts, your will to live. So get out there, push your boundaries, and embrace the challenge. Stay strong, stay vigilant, and I'll see you on the next adventure.